Hello and welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena and in this video I'm going to show you how to make tzatziki sauce. This cucumber yogurt sauce is great with raw or grilled veggies, pita bread, chips or as falafel dip. To make tzatziki sauce, I'm using 3 mini cucumbers or you can use 1 English cucumber. Grate the cucumbers with a large hole of a box grater. Make sure to leave one end of the cucumber as is so it helps you hold the cucumber while grating. Remove all the liquid from the cucumber by squeezing out grated cucumbers into your palms and then transfer it into a separate bowl. Now with this grated cucumber, I'm going to add parsley, but you can see I've removed the stems. I'm only using leaves. Roughly chopped parsley. I'm taking 3 tablespoons of chopped parsley, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 cup of yogurt. I'm using regular plain yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt if you want. Now mix everything until everything is well combined. I almost forgot to add half teaspoon of garlic. Mix everything and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour before serving. The tzatziki sauce is ready and it can be served as a dip with warm pita bread, grilled or raw veggies, chips or as a falafel dip. Hope you enjoyed this recipe video and do give it a try. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.